mpaka lini hawa seo ndazidi kufula wa mai.
Miaka ya hau kabere nenda ta Facebook na TikTok ikoretwo ikihuthika hari ukinyanĩria na gukenia ahuthiri acio, undu uria ukoretwo ugituma imenyeke na njira nene. Ede kumana na gukura gwa teknoloji, riu nenda ici itwikite kundu andu mangiyandika wira makiri ma mbeũ njĩthĩ makigunika na motungata o undu umwe na kwendia kambuni itiganite, na haha makeyonera uboco wa o muthenya matekugieka. Ni kumana na undu uyu mbeũ njĩthĩ othe ni moritio kuyukia uhuthiri wa nenda ici, kuonania taranda ciao, gwithondekera uboco na kunora ugi wao maundu-ini matiganite handu ha gutumira nenda ici na maundu matagiriire.
And technology has come for our own benefit. We usually say technology is the epitome of innovation and creativity. So they can use this to create awareness, to tell people that this is what I am.
Hindi ya monanio mataranda itiganite university-ini ya Mama Ngina itura-ini ria Mutumo gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Gatundu ya Muhuro, anyititemi githomo-ini maugite gukura gwa teknoloji ni kuhuthitie mikire ya maundu, amu mundu no ahote gukinyia ndumiriri yake kuri makiri ma andu ari o gwake mucii.
You can be at home and you're doing like multiple tasks. It gives you like power, and with great power comes great responsibility. So it's up to you to do your responsibility, either in a positive way, like starting a business, or in a negative way, like cyberbullying, na ruin other people's life.
If you have a talent, go for it and use social media well. Post your talent. You don't know, people out there will support you. Yeah. And don't be afraid to showcase your talent.
Arutwo thukuru-ini uyu matongoretio ni Winnie Achieng makiuga ni mekwambiriria kuhuthira mitambo ino wega, amu ni marikitie gukurana umithio wayo kuma mambiririe kurihwo ni mutambo wa Facebook.
Things you can do online, like writing ebooks. It's a positive platform. When do you can utaifanyia? How you use it depends on how itakusaidia.
Monanio mataranda ici mekirite gaturumo kiumia kia monanio ma unduire kuma ndurire itiganite guku bururi-ini, unduire uria wirikanite no uhuthike kunyitithania a Kenya makiria handu ha kumagayukania.
Seen how different cultures do their things, how different cultures cook their foods, how different cultures do their things, and really we have celebrated the Culture Week.
I'll be participating in culture wear, dinner wear, sports wear, creative wear.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, gitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.